Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. To kickstart our Gooseneck electric kettle series today, we're gonna be unboxing a lightweight product, the DmofwHi Gooseneck electric kettle. Now, let's take a closer look. Okay, as you can see right away, the capacity is 1 liter. Retro design, ergonomic handle, stainless steel interior, boil dry protection, automatic shutoff, precise buffering, 360 swivel base, all the basic, all the things that we want. Also, 1000 watts. Now, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, foam pad. And I see what seems to be crumbled up documents. We have the base here. And our kettle over here. Now, let's take a closer look at the base, shall we? Okay, as you can see, the base is made of plastic. The bottom we have cord storage. The cord is around 20 inches long, which is a little bit short for my liking, but should be enough for household use. Let's take a look at our kettle. Pretty neat design. The handle feels pretty good in the hand. Stainless steel, plastic lid with holes for vapor to escape out of. Okay, inside you can see that there's a level marking and the heating element over here. A cover for our gooseneck spout. The control is one touch, made of plastic. The bottom is also made of plastic. Now let's try assembling our kettle onto the base. Okay. Fits very nicely, turns smoothly. Seems to be not the sturdiest, but I think it should be fine. Now let's try putting in some water and bring it to a boil. I want to put in half a liter of water. We have our timer here. Switch. Start. Okay, as you can see, when the kettle is running, the indicator light will glow red. Okay, now we're waiting for the water to boil. Let's take a look at the instruction manual, shall we? Okay. I don't think there's much about it. Some parts, how to use, how to clean and maintain, troubleshooting, 12-month warranty. Remember to activate on the website. Okay, so the basic stuff. Okay, so as we finish reading the user manual, the kettle has already come to a rolling simmer. So let's see when will it come to a rolling boil and shut off. Okay, so I can hear that the water has come to a rolling boil. Let's see when will the kettle shut off. Okay. 3 minutes, quite fast. Okay, as you can see, the lid is tightly sealed. Vapor is only coming out from the holes, not from around the lid, nor the spout. Now let's open it up. Okay, so the lid is hot, only the handle is not, so be careful. Okay, so even though this is the first boil, I'm not noticing any odd odor, no metallic smell, which is a good sign. Now let's try pouring some water and see how well it flows. Okay, again, feels quite good in the hand, not too heavy. Okay, the stream is very steady, not too slow, not too fast. I don't have to tilt too much. But even when I tilt it to over 90 degrees, the lid doesn't fall off. Great! There you have it, the unboxing of the DmofwHi Gooseneck electric kettle. First impression, lovely little design, good pour, fast boiling time. Nonetheless, we're gonna dive into more details on the design, usability, and most importantly, performance in our in-depth review video in the near future. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!